This video will show you how to easily adjust the belt tracking and how to remove and clean the belt assembly mechanism. Before starting, make sure the machine has been unplugged. Open the side door and release the mechanism by lifting up on the handle. Next, slide on the sanding belt. Tighten the sandpaper by releasing the handle. Spin the drum by hand to make sure it stays in place. Make sure that the sandpaper is flush or in line with the face of the drum. Or if you'd prefer a shortcut, take advantage of an added feature of Galaxy machines that automatically inserts and aligns the sanding belt. You can now plug the machine back in. Tracking adjustments are done externally from the adjusting screw using the key. Turning the key clockwise pulls the belt inward. Turning it counterclockwise will send the belt outward. Note that the adjustments can be done while the machine is on, opposed to other machines that need to be turned off and adjusted from the top roller. Here, we will show you how to remove and clean the belt mechanism. First, make sure the machine is unplugged. Lift the handle as if you're going to change the sanding belt. Reach in, lift, and pull out the top roller assembly. This is what it will look like inside the machine. Now you can check the roller for any debris, bearing function, and overall cleanliness. To reinstall, simply slide the roller back in where it should easily drop back into place. Because of the unique and patented design of this machine, all of this can be done without the use of any tools.